Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations for motivation, for inspiration, for celebration. Welcome to new listeners. Welcome again to returning listeners. Thank you for joining me today. I want to share something because a couple of new listeners shared to me that they really appreciate this. In the show notes of every episode of Affirmation Pod, I know there's over 500. We're getting closer to 600 episodes. In the show notes, there's a sister episode listed and also a list of related episodes. So that will help you to find more of what you're looking for. And to answer one question that I got, yes, this is for all the episodes of Affirmation Pod, not just the recent ones. Today's episode is Affirmations for motivating yourself. It is a request from those of you who are just struggling right now to find motivation. Some of you have said it's stressors in your life that are weighing you down over time. Others, you've had some setbacks and bouncing back just seems harder than it used to. And others have said they've set goals for 2025 and they just really want to keep motivated and keep the momentum going. Well, my friends, this one is for you. Here's Affirmations for motivating yourself. I see, feel, and experience where I'm at right now. I breathe, embracing this era that I'm in. Right here and now, my mind is turning to my goals. I picture the outcomes I want. I picture how it feels to be at the top. I am fueling my passion. I am increasing my strength, focus, and motivation. My positivity and enthusiasm is growing. I am driven to get things done. I am driven to make things happen. I am driven to succeed. Today is a great day to make progress. I channel my strengths to what will give me results. My motivation is high. I'm creating the future I want through the choices I make today. I am maximizing every opportunity. I am accomplishing what I set my mind to. I am in line with my motivation. I am in the zone with my motivation. I am stepping ahead with my motivation. Listen to this one whenever you need to boost your motivation and build a more positive, resilient mindset for reaching your goals. Again, Affirmation Pod is here for you 24/7, anytime you need it. And please, just like with this episode, feel free to send in your episode request anytime. You can do so by going to affirmationpod.com/contact. That's affirmationpod.com/contact. If you'd prefer to listen to all the Affirmation Pod episodes with no ads and no announcements, that's available for Premium Access members. Premium Access members also get all the bonus episodes that you won't hear on this podcast. Some of the latest ones are Open to Love and Building Self-Trust. Find out more or join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.